In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a block on Squarespace, a skill that can significantly enhance the look and professionalism of your website. This guide will only take about 5 minutes of your time, but will be invaluable for arranging your Squarespace content precisely. First, let's start by visiting Squarespace. You'll find the login button at the top right hand corner of the page. Click it to continue because Squarespace offers a variety of ways to sign in. For simplicity, let's proceed with Continue with Google. This assumes you already have a Google account that you're ready to use. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to choose from the list of your Google accounts. Select the Google account that you'd like to use for Squarespace. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. Squarespace's user interface makes this quite straightforward. Look for the Go to Your Website link, which will redirect you to the back end of your selected website. This is where the real magic begins. Now, you're ready to edit your site. Click on the Edit button, which opens the website builder interface. Squarespace's drag and drop feature for building and editing websites is intuitive, making it easy even for beginners. Your next step is to add a new block to your website. Look for the Add Block button. Clicking this presents you with a variety of options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on adding a text block. Select Text from the options provided. Once you've added your text block, you might be itching to get your content perfectly centered. Here's how. Click on the edit icon within your text block. This allows you to modify the text itself, but more importantly, it lets you adjust its alignment. Locate the text align option. You'll see it symbolized by lines illustrating alignment options. Click on the center option. This aligns your text squarely in the middle of the block, giving your content a neat, balanced appearance. Here's a pro tip. After centering the text, you may want to manually adjust the position of your text block to ensure it's perfectly centered on the page visually. Squarespace's editor allows you to drag and move blocks, so take advantage of this feature to position your text block exactly where you want it on your web page. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Squarespace has a Save button that you'll need to click to apply your adjustments. All your hard work gets stored, and your website visitors will see your beautifully centered text. And there you have it. Centering content on Squarespace is as simple as that. It's a small detail that can make a tremendous difference in your website's appearance, contributing significantly to its professionalism and aesthetic appeal. Remember, a well-arranged website not only looks good, but also enhances the user experience for your visitors, potentially increasing engagement and conversions. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to polish up your website design skills, mastering the basics of content alignment on Squarespace is an excellent step forward. Keep experimenting and soon you'll be designing like a pro.